ミカとピッピの今度こそやり直し英語へようこそ。今日のお話は第1巻 The Forest Girl です。優しい英語の絵本をゆっくり音読します。画面の英文を見ながら声に出して真似して読んでみましょう。
This is a forest. The forest is big and green. The trees are big. The sun is on the trees. This is a small house. The small house is in the forest. A girl is in the small house. She is Mika. She is a forest girl. Her hair is brown. Her eyes are big and green. She is a cat girl. Her cat ears are soft and brown. Her tail is soft and fluffy. A little bird is on the house. It is yellow in the sun. It is soft and fluffy. Its eyes are big and happy. It is on the green tree. It is a happy little bird. The bird is happy in the sun.
Hello, I am Mika. Hello, I am Pippi. You are a fluffy little bird. Yes, you are a cat girl. Yes, I am a forest girl. Your brown ears are soft. I am happy.
Her dress is green. Her apron is brown. Pippi is yellow and fluffy. The sun is yellow. The trees are green and brown. The cat girl is happy. Green and yellow are nice. Are you a forest bird? Yes, I am. Are you a cat? Yes, I am a cat girl. Your eyes are big and green. Your tail is fluffy. I am a happy bird. Is this your house? Yes, it is my house. Is it big? No, it is a small house. Is it a nice house? Yes, it is nice. It is little and nice. The small house isn't big. It is small and nice. Pippi isn't a cat. Mika isn't a bird. Her ears aren't big. The little bird isn't big. It is happy in the forest. Mika and Pippi are in the forest. They are happy. They are friends. A girl and a bird are friends. We are friends. The sun is on the trees. They are happy in the green forest. This is the big forest. This is the small house. Mika is in the house. Pippi is on the tree. Mika and Pippi are happy friends. The forest is green and happy. This is Mika and Pippi.